Here's what $499,000 can get you just south of Bemidji, Minnesota, and we're on 13.3 acres, and we've got a barn. Let's take a look. And there you have it. If you'd like more information or would like to set up a private tour of this property, click the link in the description or reach out to one of us here at Team Montgomery. We'd be happy to help you out. This has been Tyler Montgomery with Team Montgomery and 218 Real Estate. See you later.